When you are ready to enroll your child for school year 2021 to 2022, just open your browser and type pms.wela.ph/enroll, but please do this after watching this tutorial. First, select which level your child is enrolling. Then, select the student's status. Please note that if you select Continuing Student, some information needed for new students will be skipped. Then, type your child's 12-digit LRN or NA if you don't know. If you are new in PMS and you were referred by an existing student, please type the referral code here. Next, type the name of your child, as written on the birth certificate. And type your child's nickname. Then select the gender. Enter the birthday. You may click the month and the year to change the default. You will notice that the age is computed automatically. Then type your child's religion. Birthplace. And citizenship. Next, type your street address, starting with your house or unit number, followed by your street name and village name. Then type your barangay, followed by city, and your landline number. The next box is for transferees only. Type your child's previous school and school address. In the next portion, type the mother's maiden name, her name before getting married. Then enter her mobile number. Occupation, and employer's company name. Next, type the father's name. Then enter his mobile number. Occupation, and employer's company name. You may add a country to indicate that the father or both parents are OFWs. In the next portion, enter the name or names of your other children enrolled in PMS. The next portion is important. The guardian could be the student's mother, father, auntie, or anyone in custody of the child. It is important to enter valid guardian's information because all school communications, mobile app access, student grades, etc., will be coursed through the guardian. In the next section, you may upload your child's admission requirements or ESC requirements. Just click Attach. Then browse to look for the file on your computer. Then open and upload. Do the same steps for all the requirements. The next section is the selection of your preferred tuition fee payment plan. For high school ESC grantees, please select Yes for the ESC. For grade 7 ESC applicants, please be sure you have submitted the complete ESC requirements above. High school tuition fee rates will depend on your selection in the ESC field. On the next boxes, you may enter your signature using your mouse or stylus. Click Clear if you want to re-enter or delete your signature. The last portion is about the terms and conditions of the Pleasant Mount School's Data Privacy Policy and Enrollment Contract. To view and read these contracts, click the links below. To proceed with enrollment, tick the box to confirm that you agree with the terms and conditions of the Data Privacy Policy and Enrollment Contract. The last and final step is to click Save. The registrar will evaluate your child's registration form and admission requirements. If the requirements are incomplete, you will receive an email from the registrar. Once completed, you will receive a text message from the cashier for the payment of enrollment fees. For your convenience, you may use the payment link in the SMS to pay online. Payment will be automatically recorded in your child's account.